Hey everybody, it is me, Sonia, the owner of Recover, Restore, and Grow natural hair growth products, and today I'm gonna do a live demo for you guys. So my hair is soaking wet. I'm fresh out of the shower. Super excited about this one because it has been a product that I have been working on for the last year, trying to get the consistency just right so it could definitely just love on the hair the way that I want it to. There's so many different curl types, so many different curl textures. There's so many different porosity levels of curly hair. So I wanted to meet the market with that. Is our Deluxe Curl Cream. Why do I call it a Deluxe Curl Cream? Because it's a gel base. It has aloe vera juice in it, it has slippery elm root in it, and also amino acids. It is an excellent consistency. It's very thick, as you can see. I can turn it upside down. No drops are coming out, so it's really gonna grasp onto that curl. So I wanna show you guys the proper way to let this curl cream set so you can get the best out of your curls. As always, guys, I double shampoo with my recovery shampoo. Always double shampoo. You get all of the buildup off of the hair, and you also get it off the scalp. 80% of the dirt is removed from the first shampoo, and on the second shampoo, the other 20% or the remainder is removed. So you start with a fresh, clean slate so your hair can receive product properly. I also followed up today with my Hydrating Restorative silicone-free conditioner. Excellent slip for this. If you're a curly girl, you're gonna love it. I use this in the shower and I apply it generously to my hair from root to tip, and I take a wide tooth comb and always detangle my hair from the bottom working up. Never start from the top because you will create breakage in this area. So start from the bottom up and you detangle in the shower. So I am with fresh hair right now. I am not going to put a comb on my hair, believe it or not, because I've already detangled in the shower, and I detangled with its best friend, the silicone-free conditioner. So I do not need to detangle again. At this point, it's only going to be me, my fingers, and the product doing all the work. We're going to start with, I have a big leader, so I need this because I'm a curly girl. I go through leave-in conditioner like nobody's business, okay? So we have this in a 32 ounce size, but we also do carry it in a nice squirt bottle if you really want to get in there and squirt. For me, because I am familiar with working with my hands and I like to get in there, I'm going to use this one here, which is our 32 ounce leave-in conditioner. Now, when I designed this curl cream set, it's going to come in a variety of sets, but the basic set is also going to be the curl cream and the leave-in. These two are sisters. They're twins. They pair together. One does what the other one needs it to do so it can cure properly. So make sure when you start using the Deluxe Curl Cream that you're going to use our Deluxe Curl Cream method. So my hair, like I said, is soaking wet. I just got out of the shower. What I'm going to do, and what you always want to do, my friends, always clip your hair off when applying product. Why? You allow your hair to hold in some of the water, and you want water to kind of grasp onto the hair because it acts as a mobility factor and it moves along with the product so you can really get in there. So I'm going to apply our leave-in conditioner like I said, and like I said before, you can get the leave-in treatment in a squirt bottle. I'm going to apply this generously. Now, I talk a lot about this leave-in conditioner, and when I talk about it, I mention that when you are wearing your hair straight, or if you're going to blow dry, or if you're using it as a heat protectant, you want to use a dime size or less. But the game changes when you're going to do your hair curly. When you're going to go curly, you really want to apply it generously to the hair shaft because you want to work it in, and it's going to pair well, remember, with its twin sister, the Deluxe Curl Cream. You kind of see the difference already. Look at that. It gives it that drop. It gives it that hang. It's preparing that definition to be able to receive the curl cream. So you can see a huge difference with that. So I'm going to use the other section. I just got it in the palm of my hands. I'm always emulsifying product, and I'm just smoothing it into my hair shaft. And don't worry if I'm not like opening the hair up. I'm really going to get in there when I get the Deluxe Curl Cream, and the two are going to marry together well. When you're using a curl cream, it's very important to have a nice base or a foundation. What that does, it really helps support the curl cream so the curl cream can nurture the hair and hold on to the hair. Always believe you need to have pairing of products for things to work properly. I've used so many different curl creams, curl custards. At one time, my hair hated creams. At one time, my hair loved gels. I could never find the right consistency, you know, for my curl pattern because my hair is fine and it really likes to have control. It likes to have a good hold to it, not hard hold, like, you know, like gel, like hard. But I always had an issue finding curl products that work well for me. So with ours, what we did different, it is a cream gel base. And what that means is the base, it's essentially like a gel, but it comes in a cream form. And if you remember how creamy that form was, and that's because we do have aloe vera, slippery elm root, and amino silk acids. It's gonna really, really work on the hair. Let's start our curl application. I love to take my time. My curly hair girls, listen. Okay? This is the most important part of setting up your curls for success. When you get out of that shower, take your time applying your curl products the first day, because the second, the third day, the fourth day, your hair is gonna be amazing. So take your time, apply the products properly, and really nurture the hair with the products. So I'm gonna show you how I do that. So I'm gonna start here. I'm gonna take this small section right here, because remember, I really want to nurture my curls. I'm gonna just clip that out the way, and I'm gonna take a consistency, maybe a little less like that. I'm gonna kind of take it, and I'm just gonna smooth it into my curls. Just kind of doing a raking motion. To give you an idea. Look at that. Just want to show you. Amazing, right? Now, my ladies in the audience, those of you who have maybe fine hair, straight hair, and you do like your heatless curls, I have a product for you. It is a Aloe Cucumber Mint Styling Foam. This is excellent for my girls who have straight hair, or if you're on the wavier side and you just want something to tame your hair, or if you're doing heatless curls, it's an excellent one to set the hair at night. And I find I really do like this one too. Like, say my curls are getting old, by like day 4, sometimes I'll spray a little bit of the styling foam on my curls just to freshen it up, and it works great. But maintenance of this product here with the Deluxe Curl Cream after you've set your curls, the way you want to maintain your curls is you want to use the leave-in treatment, acts as a refresher the next day. This product does not build up. It does a really good job setting into the hair. So I am complete with my application of the Deluxe Curl Cream. I started with the leave-in treatment as a base, and we talked about how thick this was, slippery elm root, aloe, just amazing. But you've seen as I put it on my hair, it's thick, but it's also, it goes into the hair effortlessly. So this is my finished product here of my curl cream. What I'm gonna do now is let my hair set. What does that mean to let your curls set? Well, after you've applied your curl cream, the most important thing, my friends, never touch your hair while it is wet. Allow the product to cure, allow the product to set. It's almost like when you go to the nail salon and you get your nails painted. And I know we all get anxious. I'm so ready to go, I'm so ready to go. But letting it set, your polish comes out perfect. So the same with your hair product. Allow the product, you've got all of those goodies in there that are curing to the hair and moisturizing the hair. Allow it to set and hold. When you touch it, you're removing the product out and you're creating frizz. So for my curly girls especially, when you put your curly hair product on and let your hair set, that means let your hair dry completely before you touch it. So I will have my hair like this and let it dry completely. This product, I will have to say, you guys, is very different from most curl creams, because some curl creams, it seems like it takes your curly hair forever to dry. Well, having the aloe in here, it did something completely different to it. So your hair actually will dry quicker than it would with most curl creams. I follow up when I'm done as a finishing sealer, our root growth elixir, which is used for thinning spots, but it's also an excellent moisturizer for the hair, and especially for curly girls. So how I would use this on my curly hair, I would squirt a few squirts into the palm of my hands, emulsify, and just slide it over top of my curl. Now moving forward to say maybe it's day 2, day 3, and you're like, okay, I want to refresh my curls. You know, it's still cute, it's looking good, but I need to freshen it up. And us curly girls, we know what that's like, because you go to sleep, you got one part that's moving up this way, one curl that's going out that way. So what we need to do, our twin sister, don't forget about her. This baby right here is designed to pair with this one here. So you want to use it in the areas where you need to touch it up. The consistency of this is going to be very light, you guys. It's not going to be heavy. I just kind of want to show you how well it thins out, because it is an aloe base. It's not going to build up on the hair. It's not going to build up on the curl cream that's on there. It just really melts into the hair. It hydrates. So that is my spiel on how to use our Deluxe curl cream. Said this amazing product here, our foaming lotion. So this is a really nice one too. I love this one too. I take this and I like touch up my edges a little bit, or touch up, you know, the top part to go. I'm gonna come a little closer so you can see the definition of my curls and see the Deluxe curl cream. I want to show you. Let's see, other side. And if you notice when your hair is drying, let me see if I can find a little piece where it looks like there's like a little, like see like a little cast. That's the curing process happening. You don't want to touch that. You don't want to keep moving it around. That is the product, the silk amino acids and the slippery elm root absorbing into your hair follicle. So let it set. It's nothing to be alarmed about or afraid about. It's part of the process of the Deluxe curl cream. But you see how well those two products, like where it's starting to dry at, are curing well together, where it's clear. And so your hair will dry. It will not dry hard. It will dry, I want to say like a soft, firm, like a soft hold, but not hard. And there won't be flakes. But if you are concerned about, like I said, applying the root growth elixir after your hair dries is amazing, and it's still going to be soft. But the reason why that is essential for curly hair when you're using a curly hair product, curly hair gets frizzy. So you do kind of want your product at first to kind of give you a soft grip, a good hold to just kind of encapsulate that hair in there. And once the hair is dry, then you release it. Always apply your oil products after your hair is dry, okay? So important. Oil and water don't mix. You want a dry foundation to be able to oil something up. So make sure you do that. It's almost like if you pour water, you pour oil, the oil sits on top. So always apply it to your hair when it's dry. Thank you guys so much for your time. Thank you for your interest in my products. Thank you for listening to me. And as always, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me, DM me, and please take care. And always remember to recover, restore, and grow. See you later.